Hi, it's Richard Price from Digital 360 here. This is a short video on how to create a Sync CRM contact list within Zoho campaigns. So first of all, we start off by logging into campaigns. This now assumes that we have created within Zoho CRM a view under the contacts for this particular campaign. So you've got to do that first, and I've got another video that shows you how to do that. So once you've logged into Zoho campaigns, you've got the home page here, and you click on Sync CRM Contacts. You can get to this page by clicking Contacts up the top here and then going Sync Services. The reason for doing it this particular way is that you can actually have it so that it syncs with your list in the CRM. So as you add more contacts that relate to the criteria set in that view in the CRM system, they will be sucked across into the campaigns list. And also, if you delete or change any details in the CRM, they will be synchronized with the list in campaigns. So that is the real benefit of having this sync list rather than just copying over using the mail list feature. Because the problem is then it doesn't update, it doesn't add, it doesn't delete listings. This is especially important if you're doing newsletter, regular newsletter listings to that same audience. So what we do is we click Add Sync, and it comes up with this. Then you put a sync description. So I'm going to say member newsletter. Okay, and then you select the module, which in our case is contacts, and then you click on custom view, and then you select the view that you've created within the CRM contacts, and this one is newsletter contacts. Okay, and then you put down here, you've got to create a mailing list. I'm going to call it the same, newsletter, member newsletter. And then there's the sign up form. Now this, what it's asking is, do you want to put a form on your website that people can subscribe to this particular mailing list? I'm going to say not allowed in this case, because I only want contacts from this particular view that are actually contained in the CRM system. I don't want people from the outside self-subscribing to this list. And then I would go Add List. Okay, so it's got the list there, and then I go Save and Continue. Now the next thing is, you can see here that it's mapping the information across from the CRM system on the left to the campaigns list on the right. So that looks fine, perfectly fine. So I'm going to go Save and Continue again, and then you can have it so that it's fetching or synchronizing the data on a regular basis. So depending on how frequently you are doing your mail outs, if it's a weekly one, then you would select weekly. If it's a monthly one, then you'll probably select monthly. Please bear in mind that there's only a limited number of fetches under the current free subscription that you can have per month, and that'll be shown on the sync screen. I think in this case we've only got 15 left for this month. I'm pretty sure that you only got 20 in total. So I'm going to say fetch every week, and I'm going to tell it to do all data, so it will look at all contacts created from the very beginning. So that's fine. You may only want to have ones that have been created from now on, or from a specific date. Then you can re-add, so these are configurations. So select this option will re-add contacts that were deleted. So yes, I do want that. If I delete a contact, I want to be able to add it back in. Update contacts. So yes, I want to update existing contacts. Update opt-out. So from the list will be updated in the CRM. Definitely, I want that. And update deleted contacts. So contacts that were imported and deleted from the CRM are updated in your list. Yes. I would do unsubscribed. In fact, I'd probably remove them. In this case, I just don't want them in there if I've deleted the contact in the CRM system. And exclude email opt-out contacts. So where it's opt-out, I want to exclude them. So once I've done all that, I can go initiate, and what it's going to do is it's going to copy that stuff over. On the right hand side, you can see that there's 15 more syncs remaining in the month. You've only got 5 per day, 15 per month. This is under the free subscription, so if we need more, we can go and do that. So if I click on all contacts, you'll see that the list will then synchronize once we've synchronized this particular list here, which is active. And okay, so once you've done that, it takes a minute or two to synchronize across. And if you go into all contacts, you'll see those contacts contained there, and you can change the number that's shown on a page. There's 32 available here. Okay, there were 33 in the CRM system. If we go into contacts and we go newsletter and we go, there's 33, but one of these is a group email, which is not allowed under the particular criteria for the for anti-spamming regulations. So that's the reason why that hasn't come through. So what we've got here is now a list that is going to be synchronized on a weekly basis, and you're now ready to go to the next step, which is creating an email campaign for that list. If you've got any questions, please contact me on richard@digital360.co.nz. Thanks for watching. Bye.